So hello guys, today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button with Taco. Yay, Taco. This is the second video. The last one I was playing with John Skitty, but this is the second video for the day. So I'm going to be shooting people in this video, and that's it. Bang. Bang. Haha, he's dead. He's dead. Haha. Haha, he's dead. Ha. Where the dude? Where the person? Other blessed person. Mario. Mario, he's dead. I won. Okay, let's go. Let's press the button. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, we're gonna die, we're gonna die, we're gonna die. Okay, we did not die, we did not die, we did not die. People dying. I'm gonna press the person. Yeah. This one. It was not that one. Oh my god, I am an idiot. Why am I an idiot? Someone help me. Why am I an... Okay, so I am red team, my favorite color. What's that? We lost. Yep, I knew it. Okay, I did not press the button. Okay, diamond. Ha. Bomb went away. My bomb. No, that's evil bomb. He wants to kill us all. Get out of here, hey, get out of here, hey, get out of here, hey, get out of here. It got out of here. Wow. Oh god, everything's super laggy. Mark, I'm going and die. Mark. We're too close. Stop going. Why are you guys stopping? Just throw the ball already. No. Do it. Why are you guys so stupid? Just do it. No, please. No. I just pressed the button. Where the button? Ah, god damn it, he stole my button. I'm running in Super Mario 64. It's coming. This is a level from Super Mario 64. Who can relate? We. Crap. Oh, crap. I love Kitty. Josh, Kitty. Yeah, I did it. I'm not going to laugh for no reason. When the bomb explodes. I love Kitty. Kitty's so cute. Stop talking about Josh Kitty. Also, Josh Kitty is a boy. And he's not a furry. He's in a mask. He's wearing a mask to smile. It's not a smile. It's just a random normal cat smile. It's a smile. And I'm gonna be thinking, if people notice who Josh Kitty is, they're gonna be like, dude, he's the copy of Dream. Like, that's a copy of Dream. That he's trying to be like Dream. He's a Dream. Oh my God. So he's not a Dream. He just drew himself before his avatar was made before that. And here's Alex. Yay! Look, guys, I need to talk Spanish right now, okay? So, hola, Alex. Hello, Alex. Mama. I am dead. Is that amazing, guys? I died. It's so amazing. Alex M. Ice Cold. Memory. I am dead. Dios. Memory. A bomb. Bomba. Bomb. Hey. Yes. Yeah, Alex. So this is the end of the video. So this is the end of the video, and as soon as that bomb explodes, the video ends.